everyone, this is Ronica Brown, tax advisor and CPA. I wanted to share with you in this video specifically on who should opt out of this advanced child tax credit payment that is coming your way. Starting this month in July, the IRS is scheduled to start sending out child tax credit to those who qualify to receive the child tax credit. Now in 2020 with the pandemic, a lot of people have received stimulus checks and so forth. So I want to make it clear that this advance payment is not like a stimulus check. So the two groups of people that this will impact are those who did receive the stimulus check, they will get this advance payment, and those who did not receive the stimulus check because their income was too high or something like that, they will also receive this advance payment. So when we talked about these small checks that the IRS is going to be sending out each month until you file your 2021 tax return, this is not really free money. The key word is advance payment. So when you file your tax return, you receive a child tax credit. Last year, that child tax credit based on the age of your child was $2,000. Now Congress have made it $3,600. So when you file your tax return, you normally receive this credit on your tax return to offset whatever tax that you may owe. Now, if you receive this advance payment, what this means is when you file your tax return, you'll be receive less credit and that will potentially for some of us, you may just owe more on your tax return when you file. So this is completely not like those stimulus check that you potentially will end up owing more tax if you receive these advance payments. So I also wanted to make that clear that this is just they're giving you your child tax credit in advance, while previously you would have received this credit when you file your return. The IRS has offered an option for those who want to opt out of this payment to go ahead and opt out. Basically, when you opt out, you're telling them that, hey, I really don't want these small payments right now. I just want to get the entire credit on my tax return when I file it, and I will send you less than estimated taxes or something like that. So for those who want to do that, then they're the ones that should opt out. I also have a list here of those who should definitely opt out. And the first category of people is those who share custody of children. Say for instance, in 2020, mom claimed child, so now in 2021, dad should claim the child. So whomever last claimed the child on your previous year return should definitely opt out, because when it comes time for you to switch who claimed the child on the next year's return, then dad won't be able to get that credit on his return because mom will receive the advance payment since mom claimed the child on her 2020 return. So if you are share custody with, if you're sharing custody for your kids, then you should definitely opt out of the advance payment if you're switching each year who claims the child on their tax return. The second group of people are the W-2 wage earners who, for some reason, they have been owing taxes for the past 4 years, and seems like some of you may not be able to get your withholding just at the right place where you can break even. So you should definitely opt out of this advance payment. The next category of people I have those who normally owe. You normally don't want to take these small payments and then go send it to Amazon. Jeff Bezos made a lot of money, or is making a lot of money. So if you normally owe on your taxes, then you should probably opt out of this advance payment so that you can just pay less when it comes tax time, or pay less in your on your estimated taxes. And for those who did not get the stimulus checks because of high income, then you should definitely opt out of these advance payments. As I said, at the end of the day, these payments are not free money. If you take too much, or if the wrong parent takes the money, then you potentially will have to pay it back when you claim the child on your tax return. So now I want to show you exactly where you should go on the IRS website if you've decided that you want to go ahead and opt out of these payments. Let me go ahead and share my screen. So here's my screen share. I'll kid you not that this takes probably 5 minutes or less based on if you have an IRS account already on file. So let's see. Get my payment. If you go to credits and deduction here, you will see advance child tax credit. You click on that and it says manage payment. You click on manage your payment and this is where it's gonna tell you what you need to do if you need to opt out. And of course you click on that and you can just sign into an account if you already have an existing IRS account. This is the same account that you may have pulled your transcripts and things like that. Or you can just sign in with one of these different things that they're asking you to sign in by. And once you sign in, it's just answering a few questions and it literally takes 5 minutes for you to opt out. Again, there's no right or wrong if you don't want to opt out. I just want to give you the option and information just in case you don't want to receive the advance money and you just want to wait until you file your tax return. That's it for today. Thank you.